All 9 stitches for pattern 01 are now demonstrated. Let's look at the result. Let's see what areas remain unstitched. These English letters. Use the back stitch. And the wreath section below uses stitches we just demonstrated. Here we use the woven rose stitch we learned. Here uses French knots and stem stitch. And the lazy daisy stitch below. I'll demonstrate each one. Let's start with the letters above. Using 3 strands of color number 7. Using the back stitch. Bring needle up at the first letter. Take it down ahead. Following the back stitch method, complete the remaining pattern. When stitching, remember, keep stitch length consistent. For beautiful lines. Final stitch down. Let's look at the result. Now let's look at this wreath. Let's start with this one. First, look at this flower bunch. The flower uses woven rose stitch. Stems use stem stitch. Petals use lazy daisy stitch. Let me demonstrate. Using 6 strands of color number 2. With the woven rose stitch. Bring needle up here. Take it down in center. Create 5 foundation lines. Then come up near center point. Skip 1 foundation line. Pass under another line. Following the woven rose method, skip 1 line, weave under next, until covering the bottom pattern. Don't pull too tight, to avoid rose bunching up, affecting its appearance. Final stitch down. Let's look at the result. Now for the stems. Using 3 strands of color number 6. With the stem stitch. Take it down. Don't pull tight. Take it down. Keep spacing even for smooth outlines. Final stitch down. Now for the remaining leaves. Using the lazy daisy stitch. This stitch is explained in detail in pattern 02. Let me demonstrate with 6 strands of color number 4. First, come up here. Take it down next to it. Don't pull tight. Leave a loop on fabric. Come up at top of loop. Pull thread. Take down along outer edge. Let's try again with 6 strands of color number 5. For lazy daisy on other side. Bring it up. Take down beside. Final stitch down. Let's look at the result. Now for these 2 patterns. Many stitches similar to what we just did. This also uses stem stitch. Let me show again. Using 3 strands of color number 6 for these stems. With the stem stitch. Bring it up. Take it down. Keep stitch spacing consistent. Stitch the other one too. It's quite far from here to here. We usually cut the thread and start stitching again. Take it down. Now let's look at this side. Just like before, use lazy daisy stitch for leaves. Let's stitch both remaining sides. Using 6 strands of color number 5. Bring it up. You can also use other colors, making colors more vibrant. Switch to 6 strands of color number 2 for leaves on opposite side. Take it down. Now for these small circles. We'll use French knots. Using 6 strands of color number 2. Wrap twice and take down. You can use different colors. For richer color variety, stitch this side too. Let's look at the result. Now for this pattern, all using stem stitch. Using 4 strands of color number 2. First come up here. Take a small stitch forward. Again, don't pull tight. Bring it up. Complete pattern with stem stitch. Take it down. After outer outline, stitch middle lines. Also using stem stitch. Final stitch down. Let's look at the result. How to secure the hoop after stitching. First trim the 4 corners of fabric. Then secure it. Let me show you. Around this corner, cut in a curved shape. Don't cut too much. Just a little is fine. After trimming all corners, turn the hoop over. Use 6 strands of any color. Tie a knot at the end. Then, lift one edge of fabric. Take a large stitch forward. Pull thread. Continue with another large stitch. Following these steps, secure all fabric edges. Then pull the thread to gather the fabric. At the starting knot, pass needle under thread below knot. Then catch thread above. Wrap to secure knot. Pull thread up. Cut excess thread. After securing. If top isn't smooth enough, use another 6-strand thread. Pass through from below. To reinforce, pass needle through diagonally. Do same on both sides. Look at result after reinforcement. This completes Pattern 01 demonstration. Thank you for watching.